today's experiment is called burning greenbacks. It's pretty easy, but yeah. Okay, so what you need is rubbing alcohol, a bowl with water, and matches. And what you would do is you pour the rubbing alcohol into the bowl, but I've already done that. And a pair of salad egg tongs, or whatever they're called, with a dollar bill. Now what you do is you heavily soak the dollar bill in the water / alcohol mixture, and then you light it on fire.
Burning dollar.
And it doesn't burn. And we'll do it once more for you here. Dip it in your water. The unburning dollar. Voila.
That's it.
One more time for those of you who don't believe it's real. And I won't even dip it again.
Or enough.
So,
Here we go.
burning greenbacks. There you go. Thank you. And hit to subscribe.